Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is the Dancer Food and Lifestyle. If this is your first time on my channel, you're absolutely welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button. Once again, you're welcome. Everyone is welcome here because we're creating new recipes. Yes, and this is new Monday recipe. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade palm oil. Honestly, this was stressful. It was strenuous, but I just had to do it. It's all about creating new recipes, new ideas, and new innovations. Alright, I'm allowed to say so. So you're absolutely welcome. Come along, let me show you the recipe. And do remember to subscribe. Thank you. So I smashed the spikelets on the ground to get out the palm fruits. Please don't use your hand, it can be really dangerous. Then I picked them nicely. I picked the good ones and I placed in a bowl and I washed under running water. Please do so to get rid of the sands and stones. You never want to see stone or sand in the palm oil when you're done with the procedures. I washed it neatly and then I placed in a pot and I bring to boil. Then after boiling for about 30 to 40 minutes, then you pour in a colander to drain out the excess water, leave to cool, and then start mashing it with your pestle and mortar. I mashed this palm fruit in batches in order not to overcrowd the mortar, and when I was done, I added just a liter of water to squeeze out the juice from the whole palm fruit. And after I was done with that, I sieved the whole shaft out, and then I sieved the residue, I mean the juice, into a pot, and then I bring to boil. This, to interest you, the juice from this particular palm fruit can be used is used for making Banga soup, Alapa soup, and other African local native soups. Thereafter bring to boil, and then this is the clear oil I was looking for. The clear oil is what you skim out and store in a bottle, in anywhere you want to store them, and then you use it anytime you're ready to prepare a meal. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, share, and follow. For other recipes, kindly visit the Dancer Food and Lifestyle, the blogspot.com. Thank you for watching.